The 2000 edition of the ISO homeowners policy excludes motor vehicles, including their equipment and accessories. The term accessory is not defined in the policy, so it must be given its ordinary meaning. A dictionary definition of this term is stated to be an object or device not essential in itself, but adding to the beauty, convenience, or effectiveness of something else. Helmets, gloves, jackets, boots, etc. do not accessorize the motorcycle. Rather, they accessorize the rider. Such apparel should not be deemed excluded property. The 2011 edition of the H04 policy was revised to exclude a motor vehicle's equipment and parts. The elimination of accessories in this edition of the form further confirms the exclusion as inapplicable to these items worn by the rider.